The home interior design can use pendant lighting fixtures for more elegant look. The elegant home interior makes the home more comfortable and enjoyable. Many furniture and decorations can be applied for obtaining elegant room design. One of the decorations that can be chosen for increasing the elegance of the room interior design is pendant light. Pendant light come from many designs and shapes. The design of the pendant light has to be matched in the room interior design. Elegant room needs elegant pendant light too for gaining the harmony in room interior design. One of pendant lighting fixtures that can be chosen is pendant light for kitchen. Kitchen is important part of the room that for making the meal. Kitchen can be designed by elegant design by using elegant pendant light. 3 artistic pendants light can make the kitchen more stylish and elegant. The light room, the pendant light will shine entire the kitchen. It is very impressive to put the light in room interior design. Pendant light is compatible to be put in many parts of the room. One of place that can be placed pendant light is in the bathroom. Contemporary bathroom is usually available large window inside it. Putting the modern pendant light in front of the window is very impressive. The window reflect the shadow of the pendant light make it look so beautiful. The pendant light is matched in contemporary bathroom design. Modern pendant light also can be applied above the dining table. People has used candle for long time ago, so the light in the dining table has become culture in the people lifestyle. In modern lifestyle, elegant pendant light can be replaced the conventional candle or light. It gives romantic nuance in the dining table. Elegant furniture can be combined by modern pendant light to produce romantic atmosphere. The architect also applies pendant lighting fixtures for increasing the elegant design of the room.